Choosing the right door installation service is a critical decision that can greatly impact the security, energy efficiency, and overall appeal of your West Jordan home. A high-quality door, expertly installed, can enhance curb appeal, reduce energy costs, and improve home security. However, finding the best door installation services in West Jordan requires a bit of research and due diligence. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you find a reliable, professional service that meets your needs and budget. Start with recommendations and online reviews. Word-of-mouth recommendations are a great way to begin your search for reputable door installation services. Ask friends, family, neighbors, or coworkers if they have recently worked with an installer they trust. Personal recommendations often provide insights into the quality, professionalism, and customer service of a company. In addition to personal referrals, check online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Read both positive and negative reviews to gain a balanced view of customer experiences. Pay attention to recurring themes, such as punctuality, workmanship, pricing transparency, and customer support. Verify licensing and insurance. Working with a licensed and insured door installation company is crucial. Licensing ensures that the company adheres to local regulations and industry standards, while insurance protects you from potential liability in case of accidents or property damage during the installation process. Before hiring a service, ask for proof of licensing and insurance and verify their validity. A licensed and insured installer offers peace of mind and demonstrates a commitment to professionalism and safety. Evaluate experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to door installation. A company with a solid track record of successful installations is more likely to deliver high-quality work. Ask potential service providers how long they've been in business and if they specialize in the type of door you need installed, such as entry doors, patio doors, storm doors, or custom doors. Experienced professionals are familiar with common installation challenges and can provide valuable recommendations to ensure your project goes smoothly. Their expertise ensures that your door is installed correctly, providing optimal performance, security, and energy efficiency. Request detailed quotes and compare prices. Before making a decision, it's important to gather detailed quotes from multiple door installation services in West Jordan. A reliable company should provide a clear breakdown of costs, including materials, labor, and any additional fees. This allows you to compare quotes and ensure you're getting a fair deal. Be cautious of estimates that are significantly lower than others, as they may indicate hidden costs or subpar materials. Similarly, a high quote doesn't always guarantee the best service. Look for a company that offers competitive pricing while maintaining high standards of quality. Ask about the installation process. Understanding a company's installation process can help you gauge their professionalism and attention to detail. Ask about their process for measuring, selecting the right door, preparing the site, and performing the installation. Reliable installers should also explain how they ensure proper sealing, alignment, and functionality of the door. Additionally, inquire about their cleanup procedures. A good service provider will handle the disposal of your old door and leave the installation area clean and tidy. Check for warranties and guarantees. Reputable door installation services often offer warranties on both their products and workmanship. Ask about the terms and conditions of their warranties, including what is covered and for how long. A strong warranty shows that the company is confident in the quality of its work and willing to stand behind it. Warranties provide peace of mind, knowing that any issues that arise after installation will be promptly addressed. Consider customer service and communication. Customer service plays a key role in the overall experience of hiring a door installation company. Pay attention to how the company communicates from your first contact. Are they responsive, respectful, and willing to answer your questions? Good communication and a customer-focused approach indicate a service provider that values its clients and aims to deliver a positive experience. Opt for local company. Choosing a local door installation company in West Jordan has its advantages. Local businesses are familiar with regional building codes, weather conditions, and customer preferences, ensuring that your project is completed to local standards. Additionally, working with a local company often results in faster response times, personalized service, and the chance to support the community. Make the right choice for your door installation. Finding the best door installation services in West Jordan doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these steps, seeking recommendations, verifying licensing and insurance, evaluating experience, comparing quotes, and prioritizing customer service, you can select a reliable installer who meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. A properly installed door enhances the security, efficiency, and beauty of your home, making it a worthwhile investment. Take the time to find the right professional, and enjoy the lasting benefits of a well-installed door.